So today we're going to try to seal up the roof. My neighbor lent me his high lift, which will make things go oh so quickly. And we're using this industrial roofing that I found at Durango Salvage. You know, for the 10th of the price. It was $1 per lineal foot. We got about 50 pieces. 50 9-foot pieces of this. Really cheap. And so we're gonna get it up there. Thanks to this, baby. Thanks, Randy. 4 pieces on, and well, we're just doing what we gotta do. Took about an hour, so total we've got 33 pieces, so it's gonna be about 10 hours for the whole roof, based on math. Oh, there it is, 2 more. Now that was a little quicker, so we're getting a little rhythm here. Here we go. So we're doing the final cut on the far side, and then we got the whole other side to do, and then the ridge cap, and then it's a wrap. Well, we're on the other side, day 2. Graham needs a ball throw. You can see, because of the machine, progress is happening safely, quickly. We're about to do all the final cuts and then put the ridge on. Very difficult to cut this material, so yesterday I tried a nipper. Today we're going to use a grinder. Really bad edge I got up there. Oh well. The edges today should be a little better. Got that flashed up there. Ready for some siding. I know, I'm getting dizzy too. There's the greenhouse. Take a quick look in there. Look at some of these big maters. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Parsley's doing good. Take a look at this shard. Holy macaroni. And just loaded with our honeybees. It's like a mad rush. And it's like a jungle in here. And I was showing some people how big some of these beets have gotten. I harvested one, it was massive. Look at that, in there. Oh yeah. More peps. More maters. Looks like this one's got a little something going on there. We've got some pine berries flowering in there. Making berries. Ooh. That looks good. Alright. Getting ready for the cuts. Alright, so Alan is in the, and we're up here finishing it up, putting the ridge on in high winds. How does that feel? Yeah, totally safe. But we're wrapping this baby up, looking good. So, finished product soon. Awesome. Boom. Give the full experience.
Jesus. With the noise and all.
We've only done this, what, how many times? 40 times up and down?
Up and down, probably 40 or 50 times. Get a nice pan up. See the height.
It's looking nice with the ridge on. And we're back down. Well, the window of opportunity is closing up here. And we are happy to say it's done, baby. Yeah, it looks sweet. What do you think, Leah?
Looks awesome.
We got this custom 3-foot ridge vent of lapping 18 inches on both sides. Some repurposed industrial roofing that we made work with custom flashing. And wow. It looks white in the bright daylight. I thought it was going to be blinding.
Well, in the cloudy it looks white, but in the sun it looks silver.
So we still got some siding to do, but our friend's doing that. And that's enabled us to get this done in a 2-day push. The upper part was 2 days, plus the ridge. The lower part took another day. And this is all recycled roofing, except the white we had left over. We bought this white pro panel is the only stuff we bought. This is all repurposed from Durango Salvage. The ridge we got custom bent, and it's been sitting here for a couple years, weathering. And that is one tight barn. Sawmill. It's actually a sawmill. Success at the ranch. Hey, if you like what you saw, subscribe to the channel. There's more projects we're going to be rapidly finishing up. That's boom. Snow's coming. Look, it's a tribute to Al.